Okay, this is the Autoglym foaming car wash. I've not actually tried this one before, so I'm going to give it a go. I'm going to wash the car now, and after I will give you my verdict. Okay, so shake well, pour 2 cats full into the bucket and add 10 litres of cold or warm water. So a couple of caps into the bucket. So I've done the wheels, and this is what's left of the suds. So it's took the muck off pretty well, but we do need a new bucket of soapy water now. The soap went on really well, with the foam keeping on the car throughout the wash. Okay, the car's washed now, so I'm going to finish it off with this microfiber cloth, and then I'm going to see what the finish is like. Okay, so it's all been dried off, and I think the finish has come up really well. So, got no complaints. It's made the car look shiny, and it looks really good. So I'm quite pleased. Okay, so what score do you think I should give? Well, let's have a look how well it performed. With just the recommended 2 caps, it gave a good bucket of nice foamy water that went on the car with ease. Once washed off and dried, it left the car with a very nice clean looking shine. So what did I pay for this 1 litre bottle? I paid £9.49, which I thought was reasonable. So marks out of 10. I'm going to give it a solid 9. Solid 9 out of 10. What would you give it? Let me know in the comments. I'll be reviewing more car cleaning products, so you know how good they are when you come to wash your car at home. Please subscribe to our channel, and I will see you on the next one.